Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to use predefined H-beam column in Revit architecture 3D model design. Basically, uh, Revit architecture model has predefined columns available in module tab in predefined library here. So let's only for make the first of all make the any 3D model here. Look at this is our home make right now, but there are many different uh, uh, place has been put down column here. This joint is one column, this joint is one column, so also many different way of joint here. So it is just insert the column here. Look at this, show you different types of column here. First is a structural column, H-beam I section here. Second is the architectural column. Here also reinforcement is already available in this column. So only for just click insert in this column here and go to put down this particular corner and get apply the predefined column has been apply in 3D model. So this is already I have create this home here. This home is different types of command available. Just click first, make the wall, window, door and trees here. So it's like make this one is also go to predefined component is available. So let's how to use from column. So just click, this is the first column. When I get column, structural column, how to use. So when enter this structural column and click this point, right, this one has been create and this point, this particular direction I have go to create and show you. This is the make this H-beam and apply both column here this side and here this side. Okay, same thing again I will go to use from this point, this particular corner here, right. So right now I get click this point and also click this point and again show you the second column right now. Same thing again I will choose from this particular point and also go to upward direction. It is here make the third column right now. Same thing again show you this particular point and go to upward direction here right now and apply the number of fourth column and same direction. Like again I will show you the other one. It is directly choose from the particular corner here, right. Here again I will show you the column right now. Here you can see that, look at this one I have go to again make this one column. So how many joint between our homes depend on number of joint and also get used for predefined architectural column here. This is the H-beam column and this joint and particular way of joint I have get put down. Now how to use the here you can see that structural column, architecture column. So I get the use architecture column and this is the structural column. So when let's again I will show you Control Z. I have go to Control Z in exit and show you another column I have get use from structural column. Like when I click, this one is structural column. When I get put down this particular corner here and also get put down this one is corner, and let's again show you this one here. This is the already has been reinforcement. Then after I will just click, look at this. So this one is very useful for architecture 3D model design. It's depend of joint, number of joint, number of connection from house. When I get another use for wall here, this one I get start from this point and joint from this point, and have to make this one door right now, one wall right now, and I get reduce the height. So click here and go to property. So I have changed this distance. Okay, series change here, and if I get the decrease this value, so when I here you can see that, and go to okay. Now use to door here. So this one I have got to use properly in door and window right now. Then again I will use from here you can see that when I want get stretch this particular distance here, so we will change right now. When I get change 3500, so it's inserted. When again I will use to column here, this is the structural column we have get use, this one then also use, and again show you the column is here. If not the position here, so when again I will get exit right now, we will get the particular point. Okay, see this catch for particular point right now. Again I have go to catch right, this one is here, see this. Okay, so it's a very fantastic for use in column, wall, windows, and different doors here, and also available in predefined components in our architecture 3D model design. So today has completed the session. Do like and subscribe our channel.